Hi, welcome to Futureview first podcast again. It's your host Obi, and the last section we talked about AI product managers. This is a hot topic now. Everybody needs to get involved because, like I said in my last video, AI is changing. It's not taking the job will change. So people need to change. Product managers has been in existence for some time, but now they are looking after AI teams and the business teams. They are bringing them together. And today we are looking at the non-technical skills for AI product managers. What are the skills? What are the necessary skills? Because whenever AI is mentioned, people start thinking about the coding, the algorithm, the data. They are all right. You need to know a little bit of all those that's required, but not to be a coder. The main skills or some of the skills necessary to be an AI product manager are critical thinking, strategic overview. You need to have a problem solving skills. You talk about negotiation, collaboration, how to empathy, and being able to relate with people. Good listener. You have to listen attentively to understand what people want. And in most cases, I say you see beyond what people are saying because a business manager or a CEO may not know exactly what they want. So you'll be able to drive, ask the right question to drive deep down into what they need. But most importantly, iteration is very important. Going back to them to say, are we on the right path? Is it what you think? So I'll say to start this model 2 out, communication is the king. Communication is king. So being able to explain complex AI ideas in simple words is super important. Think of it like translating technical manual into a story anyone can understand. That's what it's about to be able to work as an AI product manager. You don't need to have the technical skill to code like every coder or to be discussing the deep tech. There's technical experts to do that. So AI product managers are great at spotting problems and thinking creatively about how AI can solve those problems. It's like being a detective for business challenges. So you're a detective for business challenges, thinking deeper, looking at the bigger picture and bringing everyone to the table to understand what's required and then how it's going to be used at the end. So understanding what users truly need and feel is vital. So this means listening, observing, and putting yourself in their shoes. Again, before we continue, please try, like, subscribe, and comment. Comment how you're finding this information. It helps us a lot to prepare the next model. Yeah? Like, subscribe, and put your notification on as well so you'll be reminded when the next video is going to drop. It's going to be at least 10 series, depending on how it's going. You can do more. Or we pick another hot topic, hot role that's making waves in the AI space and treat it as well. So you need to be a strategic thinker. You need to see the bigger picture, how an AI product fits into the company's overall goals and the market. You don't want to do something that is going to be used only by the organization, or they will spend all the money, nobody needs it in the market. So you're going to look into that as well. Make sure you're thinking big and you're thinking strategically and say, okay, how does this work? What is the bigger picture? How will this product fit into our company goals? And then in the market we serve. It's all important. It's not you thinking about the product only, but how does it fit all? And then The product itself, you're talking to the technical team, and the technical team will produce something that the business will now use to go out there and make money. The essence is to make sure there's a return on investment for the business. And I end up, or I always give an example to make it very relatable. So a non-technical AI product manager working on a healthcare AI tool might not understand the deep algorithms, but they can talk to a doctor and patients, understand their pain points, and then explain those needs clearly to AI engineers. And they will ensure that the AI tools actually help people. What is the solution? Is it helping people? So again, I'll take it. A technical AI product manager is a non-technical person that has the capacity to work in the middle of technical experts, translate that to businesses, and everybody go home happy. So you're a non-technical product manager working, for example, I gave an example on a healthcare AI tool, and then you may not understand the algorithm, how it's being coded and what is being coded. That's not your business. Your business is to talk to the doctors and the patients. You understand their pain points. What do they want to solve? What are they struggling with? And then you are able to explain this clearly to AI engineers who doesn't have the time to listen and understand what the pain points are. But because you're breaking it down for them, they will understand it and be able to write the codes or do what they have to do. The essence is to ensure that the tool helps people. Because I think once you are driving the value from them, people will pay for it. People will enjoy using it. Again, please like, subscribe, put on your notification, and be part of this movement. AI is not taking anybody's job. It's going to change the way we work. So you will lose out if you're not training, if you're not listening to such videos to bring up yourself and train yourself. We're going to be bringing the actual training or tools that will help you to progress from this video as we progress. But your comments is very necessary to help us put the right kind of tools or respond to your questions in the future and bring everything, because it's all about you. It's making sure that you're getting the value you need to spend your 5-10 minutes on each video. Thank you so much once again. Let's keep working together collaboratively, building one AI tools one after the other. Let's have as many AI product managers ready for the next AI global change that's coming. It's coming. It's already here. So let's get as many as people in Africa or all over the world ready to be able to manage these experts, the AI engineers, and the businesses, bringing them together to produce a value producing tools, AI tools that will fit for purpose, not just to tick boxes. Once again, thanks for listening. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Put on your notification so you don't miss the next video. Thank you. Still your host, Obi. See you in the next video. Bye.